royal exhibition, which began from Benin, the Edo State capital. Now it finds its way to Lagos as the crowd enjoys this rich blend of heritage and tradition.
This traveling historical art exhibition, which began from Benin City, the Edo State capital, in October 2019, finds its way to the National Museum in Lagos.
Royal exhibition, which began from Benin, the Edo State capital. Now it finds its way to Lagos as the crowd enjoys this rich blend of heritage and tradition.
This traveling historical art exhibition, which began from Benin City, the Edo State capital, in October 2019, finds its way to the National Museum in Lagos.
It was well received in Benin. We had a very huge turnout of artists, of stakeholders, of art lovers who came in Benin to show solidarity and welcome this new development of Benin iconography and also the Iyase Odozie Edo Batik. They were quite pleased with it in Edo State.
This crowd of bigwigs in the art community have gathered to give this Royal Art Solo exhibition by Dr. Teresa Iyase Odozie a befitting welcome. The show, titled Edo Batik Textile and Wax Prints and Benin Iconography, is a product of scholarly research to spotlight an art form the people of the ancient Benin Kingdom were also renowned for.
What we have is publicizing, giving visibility to icons that have been extracted from artifacts. Benin artifacts dating back to the 16th century, so we're talking of over 500 years ago, that were used in adorning apparels worn by Benin people, the royalty, and the ordinary people, and people who served the Oba. They were brought, they were on their dresses, on their apparels, and they were extracted and put on canvas. They were painted and then subsequently transferred to fabrics. This is a way of publicizing our culture.
The artist grew up recognizing and admiring the depth and wealth of this heritage, which goes beyond ancient sculptural pieces to amazing apparels. This inspired her quest to learn more about it and share this knowledge, especially with museums that house Benin artifacts.
There's been a lot of growth. There's been new dimensions. For example, in Benin, it's also had 5 dimensions, which were the mixed media, the Edo textile, the book, that is the art journal, and also the empowerment aspect of it, plus the art installation. But here we've added something new to the art, which is now the other aspect of art, the applied art. The applied art is for us transforming or transferring the discovered items, the discovered icons, these appropriations, into wax prints so that it becomes affordable to the general public.
This is the age of the return of great Benin bronzes, the age of restitution. And you find that the icons reflected here are embedded on those works. So this is the moment when we begin to let not only the Edo people, the Benin people, but Nigerians know the rich objects, the rich icons that adorned these bronzes that were looted by the British in the name of pacification, in the name of punishing the Benin people. And so this is the beginning. The beginning of a renaissance, a rebirth of Benin Edo culture.
The intricacies of the icons found on these relics have amplified in this exhibition, and the artist is driving this initiative with the trademark BeninIconography.com.
boya keye iya wona gigiau iya wera ya pavete anagi dolo sorui ke wane kampioni
It's a traveling exhibition, so I wonder where it will move to next. Keep our fingers crossed for that one.
Okay,